In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom mockup template in Canva. Whether you're a designer, a marketer, or just someone looking to spruce up your presentations, creating a custom mockup can add a professional touch to your projects. Let's dive right in. To get started, open Canva and head straight to the Upload section. This is where you can easily bring in your own images or files that you want to work with. It's a straightforward process that ensures you have all the visual resources you need at your fingertips. Now once you're in the Upload section, simply drag and drop the image you want to use as your mockup right onto the canvas. By doing this, you're effectively setting the foundation for your mockup design. Remember, the quality of your image matters, so ensure it's high resolution for the best results. Next, go ahead and click on the Edit option. This will grant you access to all the editing tools and customizations that Canva offers. From here, the possibilities really start to open up. You can adjust colors, tweak brightness or contrast, and sharpen your image to give it that polished look. But don't feel overwhelmed, Canva's tools are user-friendly and very intuitive. Now let's move on to the mockups section. After clicking on Edit, you'll find the mockups option. This is where the magic happens. In this section, Canva offers a variety of mockup options that you can apply to your image. Whether you want a digital showcase like a screen display or something more tangible like a magazine spread, you'll find plenty of options to suit your needs. Once you're in the mockups area, take your time to browse through the selections. This is your chance to decide exactly how you want your design to be presented. In our example today, I'm going to choose the apparel mockup. This particular template is perfect if you're showcasing a design meant for clothing or textiles. But remember, the key here is to choose a mockup that aligns with your project intent. Finally, with all your choices made, simply select the template that best fits your vision. Once you've picked the template, the changes will apply, giving you a composite image that merges your design with the chosen mockup. It's a seamless process that makes your presentation look incredibly professional. And there you have it. You've just created a custom mockup template in Canva. This method not only enhances the visual appeal of your designs, but also helps communicate your ideas more effectively. So next time you're working on a project in Canva, remember how easy it is to create impactful mockups. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been as helpful as it is simple. Happy designing!